check it. You wanna beat me, that's definitely preposterous. All my bars are heavy, my tongue can lift a rhinoceros. So dude, bye, you don't wanna see me get monstrous. Rap is full of shit like a slave queen's esophagus. I have a dream like my name was King Martin Luther. So now it's fuck the world, I'm an expert in Kama Sutra. Got the game on my back when I'm holding down on my Kwamakhutha. If flowy I should add, it's expensive in my Kwamakhutha. Too many levels, you can never get on my stage. My punches are like animals jumping inside your rib cage. I display psychiatric thoughts on top of this page. The type that puts all of your skeletons inside a suitcase. I take a beat, then I'm breaking bars like a burglar. We take your mommy, then act like we never heard of her. You don't want beef, cause you know I can take it further, bruh. My style is hard to find like Senzo May, it was murderer. I'm problematic, equations that can't be simplified. Cause I'm not a human, my species is unidentified. I'll take your girl to show you that I'm a different guy. While she swallows my kids, I will make you swallow your pride. Now I'm concentrating, I'm contemplating, I'm cultivated. By my operation, I'm dominating, I'm terminating this abomination of populations of copy haters. And they're monster deflated, it's constipated, I'll confiscate. I'm not accommodating the conversation of who's the greatest. I'm the combination of Fred and Jason, who wants to get it. And now my obligation is violating all of these fake ones. I'm so underrated, the most debated, my people hate it. Yeah, a lyricist, I'm too legit, so I'm certified. Cerebellum capacity measured to an infinite size. Rhythmic genius with the skills of a mastermind. So ahead of my time, I'm futuristic in the afterlife. Effortless, I'm a visionary that's limitless. I chill with mathematicians, killers, and astrophysicists. I school these kids, I'ma slaughter them, then it's class dismissed. The super photographic memory could never picture this. Shout out to BZ, shout out to Zagwe, shout out to KZN, shout out to DBN.